Hello guys, my name is Disha and welcome back to my channel. If you're watching me for the first time, then I would request you all to please subscribe to my channel. So I have ordered few products from Nykaa and Myntra. Recently Nykaa was hosting a sale and also Myntra was hosting their EOS sale. So I got few products on discount. I know I'm making this video too late. I had recorded this video one more time, but the footage didn't show up. So firstly, I'm going to show you what I bought from Nykaa. So I bought the Himalaya Purifying Neem face wash. This is a very basic face wash. This retails for 120, but there was no sale on this, which I really feel sad about because I'm that kind of person who really picks up things on sale. But then I really needed this and I had to get it. My skin was really acting up, so I thought of switching my face wash to the basic one, and so that's it. The next product I have is from Pond's. This is the Pond's Super Light Gel with hyaluronic acid and vitamin E. So again my skin was acting up, so I thought of switching my face wash and my moisturizer. So I thought of giving this a try because this is one of the rave product I've heard of. This retails for 299, but in the sale price I guess I got it for 250 rupees or 210 or 250 rupees. I don't know, I'm gonna put somewhere on the screen. Oh my god, I have started using this product and it is really nice. It is really oil-free moisturizer. I guess they have one more variant in this, but this is the oil-free wala, and it has a gel-like structure, and it smells really good. And trust me, you really need a teeny amount of this, and it like goes all over your face. And it is non-sticky, so I really don't prefer my moisturizers to be sticky because they just irritate me. So I always look for moisturizers which are non-sticky and it just absorbs into the skin and really hydrates my skin, and this is one of them. So you must be thinking that it is a very small tub for this price, but the quantity, I mean, you just need a little amount of it and you can work your face around with it. So it's been a week since I'm using this product and I'm totally satisfied with this. So it has a very cute packaging. It is very sleek. You can just put it in your handbag. I just love this product. It is working really fine for me. You all can see this is a gel moisturizer and it is very lightweight. It is not at all heavy on your skin, and you really need a little bit amount and it goes all the way. As you can see, it is gel based, so it is absorbing in the skin very quickly and in a good way. So this moisturizer is also perfect to use under your makeup because it acts like a primer because it gives a silicone like finish. So in one of my video in my Nykaa hauls, I had mentioned that I had ordered fake eyelashes, but I had forgot to got the glue. Actually, I was waiting to get this on discount, but it's been like a month or a month and a half. ये product discount पे नहीं आ रहा था and I really needed one. So I got this. By the way, this is in the darker shade, so you should always prefer glues in darker shade. So that is that. And it really hurts me that I could not get this on MRP because so that's all for the Nykaa haul. There were just 3 products. Coming to the Myntra haul. On Myntra, I have got like few makeup products and it was a great steal. Trust me when I say great steal. So the first product I ordered is Maybelline Hypercurl Mascara. So this is a washable mascara. So I had one waterproof mascara from L'Oreal. So because when I shoot videos, I really don't like wearing waterproof mascaras because it is really hard to get rid of and it like really ruins your under eye area and everything. So I really wanted a washable mascara, and this is great. Even I'm wearing it right now and this works perfectly fine. It really gets off very easily, and I also got this on discount. I'm gonna mention the price on the screen. Next up I have is a Wet n Wild contour palette. So I was out of my contour palette, so I really wanted, but again I've been wanting, I really wanted to stock on this contour palette for long, but this was not coming on sale. So I literally waited for 1 month to get this on discount, and I really love this contour product. Oh my god, I've been using it for the longest time. I'll show you. See, this is the Purana wala and I've hit the pan here. This is Purana wala and I've hit the pan. The only banana shade is remaining. So I had to get my hands on this. This retails for $4.99, but then I got it for 350 rupees. Yes. So this retails for $4.99 and I got it for 350 rupees. So I feel that was a steal. If you're looking out for a great contour powder on the affordable side, I would suggest to go for the Wet n Wild one. So they have two shades. This is for my skin tone and they have one more shade which is for deeper skin tone.
So this shade can be used from lighter to medium skin tone, and it really glides on your skin very well, and the formula is a dream. As you all can see, it has really good pigment, and I really love using the banana powder also to set in my under eye, as I've really heard people talking about it.
So I bought a eyeshadow palette. It is in the shade Roses in the Air. This is one of the best selling eyeshadow palettes Wet n Wild have, and I'm not much into eyeshadows, but I really thought of giving it a try. So it has beautiful shades which I was looking for, like nude shade and a hint of pink, and this retails for $4.99 and I got it for $2.99. See, I told you, you should trust me when I say it was a steal. And ऐसा भी नहीं है कि these eyeshadows are just very gimmicky. It really has good pigments. I'm gonna show you on the screen. So I thought of getting this because it was on huge discount.
So as you all can see, it has really beautiful colors, especially for beginners who are starting the hands-on eyeshadows. It has two transition shades and a good hint of pink and nudes, and also two glittery shades to work around with. So for the people who are starting with eyeshadows, this is a very decent palette. It really has good pigment and all the basic colors which you need. I'm gonna show you how this pink color looks out, and it really has good pigment, but the camera is not catching up that well, but you can really work around on your lids. I also show you this brown kind of rusty shade. It is also a lovely beautiful shade.
So there was this offer running on Myntra. If you buy any of the Wet n Wild products, you would get one single eyeshadow for free, and I got the Sugar single eyeshadow for free, and this retails for $185, and then I got it for free. But then I feel this is a waste. Any of y'all who are thinking of buying this shade, please do not buy this. This is a waste because it has zero pigment. It is all powdery and glittery. I don't know if this is gonna show up on my eyelids, but then you shouldn't be buying this. The other eyeshadow palette which I've mentioned is totally worth it, but this makes no sense to me.
So this is how this single eyeshadow looks. It is in the shade Sugar, and I'm really not impressed with this shade because it has a bit of pigment, but it feels very chalky and very glittery, which really makes no sense to me.
So that's all for my mini Nykaa and Myntra haul. If you like this video, please hit the like button and share this video with your friends, and do not forget to subscribe to my channel, and I will see you in my next one. Bye.
You